everybody. Today we're going to multiply 5-digit numbers, two 5-digit numbers, and we have the steps written out here. And please only do this if you're comfortable doing 2x2s, 3x3s, and 4x4s using this method. We're going to use vertically and crosswise, and there's a certain pattern that goes on here. We work with one, this just column of numbers, so one partial product, my ones. Then I move over and I have 2. Then I move over and I have 3. Then I move over and I have 4. Then I have 5. Then I move over again and I have 4, then 3, and then 2, and then 1. So I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pattern. And likewise, if I have multiplied two 6-digit numbers, I'm going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pattern. Okay, let's get started over here. You can make a decision where you want to put this digit. I'm just going to put it right underneath here. So 2 times 1 is my first step, and I get positive 2. And I'm done with this. Step 2 is going to be a cross multiply and add here. So I get 4, and then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is just 8. Okay. Step 3 is going to be, I have 3 partial products. So I have a 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. Then I have a 10, and then I have an 8. I'll write that out. So I have 3 plus 10 plus 8. That's just 21. Okay. 13 plus 8 is 21. I have nothing to carry. So I say 1. And I'm going to keep a carry 2 off to the side. Okay. Great. Done with this step. Now I work with 4, not all of them yet. So I have 4 partial products. So I have 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 3 times 2, 4 times 5. Let's break that down. So I have 2, right? 2 and then 2. You can keep track of it in your head, but I just want to show the steps. Then you have 6, then 20. So I get 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 20 is 30. And 30 plus 2 is 32. So I'm going to say 2. Done carrying this. Carry the 3. Okay, now I have 5 partial products, my most involved step, but just break it down. I have a 1, right? 1 times 1, 2 times 3, and then you have to understand the contrary motion pattern. Once I do this, 1 times 1, 2 times 3, I'm going to move over. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. So I do 2 times 2, 4 times 1, and just finally 3 times 5, okay? So my partial products are, this is one of them, this is another one of them, and then I do the outsides, this and this, this and this. Okay, the lines make it look kind of confusing, so carefully, okay? So my first one is 1 times 1. My outsides are 1 times 1 and 2 times 3. So I have 1 plus 6, okay? Now I'm going to work with these. So I have 4, and then 4 times 1, 2 times 2, 4 times 1. So I have 4 and 4. Okay, and then I have my middle and middle. 5 times 3 is 15. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. And 30 plus 3 is 33. So I'm going to say 3, carry the 3. I'm just going to underline it again. Okay, great. So I did my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to work with my 4 again. So these 4 right here, we're going to work with, and then the bottom 4. So 1 times 2, 3 times 4. So I have 2. Right, I'm working with these. Let's keep track of it. Okay. Maybe I should highlight it. So I have 2 and then 12. Okay. 2, 12, and then I have 10 and then 3. Okay. That equals 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And 27 plus 3 is 30. So I'm going to say 0, carry the 3 again. Okay. So I'm at this step right now. I work with 3 partial products, 5, 9, and 2. So 5, 9, and 2. So I get 11 plus 5 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So I'm going to say 9, carry the 1. So now I'm at this step right here. I just have a 1 and a 6. 1 times 1 plus 3 times 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Nothing to carry, so cross that out. And the last step is 1 times 3. Left times left is just 3. Okay, so there we have it. 389,032,182. Okay, good job. Keep practicing.